Hi everyone, in this video we are going to go over a few extra functions in Excel that we think are good to practice and that you may see on the exam. The first one, we want to count everything under the quantity column. So I'm going to go over to cell M11 and type equals count and hit tab on my keyboard to open it up. The value in this case is going to be everything underneath quantity. So I'm going to select this whole column, and when I close my parentheses and hit enter, 20 is returned. So this counted the amount of entries or the amount of rows underneath quantity. Now I want to do the same thing for product line. This time I'm going to have to use count A. So I'm going to go over to cell N11 and type equals count A, hit tab, and then I'm going to select everything under product line for the values, close parentheses and hit enter. We also got 20. Now the reason why we couldn't use count here is because these were words underneath product line. Count is associated with anything that's a numerical value. Count A is going to be anything that is words or pieces of text. The best way to kind of associate this would be count A has an extra A for alphabet. So think words, letters, alphabet. Okay, now say we wanted to know the maximum price. So I'm going to go to cell O11 and type equals max, tab. I'll select everything under the price column, close parentheses and hit enter. Our maximum price is $99.96. Same thing if I wanted to find out the minimum price. So in cell P11, I'm going to type equals min, tab, select everything under price, close parentheses and hit enter. So it looks like it's $26.31. The last formula we want to do here is an average if. So let's say we wanted to know the average amount of everything that was paid with cash. So I'm going to type in cell Q11 equals average if tab. The first thing it's asking us for is the range. So our range is going to be all the types of payments. So everything under type. So I'm going to select everything here. I'm going to type a comma. It moves me on to my criteria. In this case, we want to know everything for cash. So since we're about to type text in, we have to open our quotes and type cash and close our quotes, and we'll type a comma. Now it's asking us what's our average range. In this case, it's going to be our amount. So I'm going to select everything under amount and close our parentheses and hit enter. And it comes out to be about $379.